Hey mamas, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I installed this gorgeous wig from Kriyyahair. They went ahead and sent me a 150 density 13x4 lace frontal wig in the texture Kinky Curly. It's definitely giving off some 4B 4C vibes and I'm actually loving it. The frontal was really nice and easy to pluck. It was so easy to install, and if you would like to see me install this gorgeous wig from Kriyyahair, just keep on watching. The links will be in the description box to purchase if you would like to off rip. This hair is really nice and soft and super full for the 150 density, and it's super affordable, so you are definitely getting your money's worth. And as always, just keep on watching and I will see you all later. this is what the hair is looking from Kriyyahair. They went ahead and sent me this 24-inch kinky curly unit. It is in a 13x4 lace frontal wig and 24 inches. So cute. I'm loving the lace and how easily it was able to blend with my skin tone. The hair is a true kinky curly. This is definitely giving some sort of 4B 4C hair. It's definitely representing like that kinky curly texture. So this is for pretty much all my natural girls who want to wear a wig and you want it to give your natural hair. This is perfect. It's definitely that texture. It's just like some fine coils and I love it. Defining it was amazing, and I used this Dove Hydration Spa conditioner as well as some water in this tiny little spray bottle. You guys, this hair is absolutely amazing. It dried down really well and easily too. I did go ahead and diffuse it so the drying time would be quicker and so that the curls could stay more defined or in their most natural state. So far so good. I'm having no problems with this hair. It's really nice and soft, and of course with curly hair comes a little bit of shedding, and I'm not receiving any tangling whatsoever, just a tad bit of shedding here and there, but that's totally fine. Even though this hair is 150 density, it is actually really nice and full, and mind you, it has not dried down fully yet, so it does get bigger than this. So if you would like to purchase, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and thank you to Kriyyahair for sending me this gorgeous wig. And that is pretty much it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.